Hare Krishna. So now Krishna is going to start describing about knowledge in three modes: Sattva Guna, Raja Guna and Tamo Guna. Let's see the first one, Jnana in Sattva Guna, in Shloka number 20. Sarva bhuteshu yenaikam bhavam avyayamikshate avibhaktam vibhakteshu tadjnanam vidhi satvikam. Sarva bhuteshu yenaikam bhavam avyayam ikshate. So that knowledge, tadjnanam, that knowledge by which one undivided spiritual nature is seen in all living entities. That's Sarva bhuteshu. Avibhaktam vibhakteshu, though they are divided into innumerable forms, vidhi satvikam, you should understand such a knowledge is in mode of goodness. So it's a very nice shloka which talks about a person in the mode of goodness, or the knowledge in the mode of goodness, which is pretty higher on the spiritual platform. What is the vision of such a person who has this knowledge? So that is what is given here. A person who sees one spirit soul in every living being, whether a demigod, human being, animal, bird, beast, aquatic or plant, possesses knowledge in the mode of goodness. In all living entities, one spirit soul is there, although they have different bodies in terms of their previous work. Now, I am sure all the Shloka day students will be thorough with the concept of karma. So, based on our past punya and papa, our current body is decided. And based on this lives and the previous lives, whatever papa and punya credits are there, the next body will be decided. How many such bodies we have? How many different types of bodies we have? 84 lakh species are available. So, depending on one's papa and punya, the body will be awarded to that particular living entity next life. Now, this is a very important point to note, that these bodies which are given, they might be different, but the spiritual spark that is there, that is the same. The nature is same of all the spiritual spark. What is the nature? Sat, Chit and Ananda. Sat means eternal. Chit means full of knowledge. And Ananda means happiness or bliss. So, the spirit soul is eternal, full of knowledge and always in blissful state. So, this is the actual nature of the spirit soul. And the same spirit soul, I mean the same natured spirit soul, is there in each and every body, irrespective of the color and the shape and other things of the body. Now, here it is said, in all living entities, one spirit soul is there, although they have different bodies in terms of their previous work. The manifestation of living force in every body is due to superior nature of the Supreme Lord. Thus, to see that one superior nature, that every living force in every body is to see in the mode of goodness. If you remember in chapter 7, Shloka 5, Krishna said, Apreyamitastvanyam prakritim vidhime param jiva bhuta mahabhaho yayedam dharyate jagat. So there Krishna is saying that, oh Arjuna, there is a superior energy of mind that is exploiting the inferior energy or matter. So what is that superior energy that Krishna was talking about? He was talking about the Tathastha Shakti or the marginal potency or spirit soul, to be very simple. So spirit soul. So what is spirit soul doing? Here it is said that the spirit soul is the one which gives life to this entire body. So consciousness is the symptom of the spirit soul. If the spirit soul is there in the body, the entire body is conscious. And as soon as the spirit soul exits the body, the entire body becomes unconscious or dead. Actually, this body is completely dead. But when the spirit soul enters, the consciousness is there throughout the body and then the body is called as alive. So this is what a small spiritual spark does. Thus to see that one superior nature, that living force in every body is to be in the mode of goodness. So this is actually the knowledge. This is the knowledge, the process by which the person is seeing the spirit soul in each and every body is knowledge and mode of goodness. that living energy is imperishable, although the bodies are perishable. Differences are perceived in terms of body because there are many forms of material existence in conditional life. The living force appears to be divided. Such impersonal knowledge is an aspect of self-realization. So when we see that, okay, there's so many bodies, but then bodies might be so many, different in various ways. But when it comes to the spirit soul, it is the same. I mean, the same natured spirit soul is there in each and every body. So if someone can see like this, if someone can have a knowledge like this, that how spirit soul is common, irrespective of the shape and the size and the height and the width and the fatness and the thinness or the color, whatever it is about the body, be it 4-leg, 2-leg, legless, whatever it is. If the person is able to see that one undivided spirit soul in everyone, such a person is actually having the knowledge in the mode of goodness. Now after this, Krishna is going to speak about Jnana in Rajoguna. Let's see that in the next video. Hare Krishna.